We're Cindy and Eddie.
And this is Squeeze the Day. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are just finishing out our stay here at Eugene, Oregon, and we're going to be heading north as soon as we check out, which we're going to do in just a moment.
We're on our way to Seattle, Washington.
Thank you so much, Graduate Eugene. You all have made our stay so wonderful.
It's been amazing here. Your hospitality is definitely on a new level, and the city is absolutely gorgeous. We loved being able to see what we could of it.
And of course, we are so grateful for the upgrade to this beautiful room that you gave us.
It's going to take us between 4 and 5 hours to get to Seattle, Washington from Eugene.
Not a long trip, but we're excited to get on the road and get to Seattle, and so many things that we've heard about that hotel. And we're really excited to go check it out for ourselves. So we're taking you along with us.
We've got our coffees and we're ready to start our day. It is July 31st, 2021. We are leaving Eugene, Oregon and headed up towards Seattle, Washington for our final visit in the last of the 30 graduate hotels. And we're super excited about this. We've been hearing a lot of good things about Seattle, so we have high hopes. This means we have successfully completed an entire month's worth of vlogging every day. Unfortunately, it also means the end of this chapter. So we have to decide what we're going to be doing next after graduate hotels. We'll get more into that in just a little bit. First, enjoy this view as we continue to travel north up into Seattle, Washington. We were making really good time because the traffic was clear and so was the weather. So it was a really easy drive for us. Those are the skyscrapers in the downtown area. We're going to bypass that a little bit and head up to where the colleges are. We are in Seattle, Washington. Thanks, Lo.
We've made it to our final destination on this 30-day road tour.
As you can see as we're driving in, it really is a cute town.
We have arrived.
I think they were expecting us just a little bit. And right away, we could see why so many of the graduate team members were talking about how awesome this place is. And yes, that's Bruce Lee. Beverly Cleary is going to let us up to our room. Bruce Lee is going to let us into 1502. When you first come in here, you've got the closet on the left, which has a curtain on it, and the safe inside. Immediately to the right, you've got the workstation desk, which looks really comfortable. I love that chair. It's got some awesome screws. Check that out. Next is the TV stand. Let's see what we've got in here. Love that lamp. Look at that drawer. That is so fun, right?
That is awesome.
All right, let's check out this bed. Look how fun that is. Oh, the Team USA on the background. I like that.
With a full couch here to sit at, Eddie, and kick off your shoes.
Kick off our shoes.
And over here we have a little sitting area. Looks like they've put some things on the table here.
Welcome to Seattle. Thank you so
Wow,
much,
thanks,
Seattle.
guys.
We love it. Look at these t-shirts.
Ooh,
Sweet.
Look at that.
That might be a little small for me, but I think I'll squeeze into it. Just kidding, that's Cindy's.
Oh,
That's great.
nice. Love it. Salmon jerky. I've never had salmon jerky, have you?
No, that sounds good.
Wow.
We look forward to trying that.
Yes, and this little one is some classic cherries with milk chocolate.
Ooh,
Yum.
love that. Thank you so much.
Yes. Now we've got some mountain spring water.
You know we love these.
Thermoses.
Let's check out our view. Wow.
Oh, Eddie.
Wow.
Wow is right.
Oh, corner room. Amazing view. Let's check out this bathroom. Look at those mirrors. That's so cute.
Oh, and the tub.
Love it.
Wow. Nail in and gets.
This is the Poindexter. Let me show you around a little bit. This is where you're gonna wanna go to get breakfast, coffee. It opens up at 7.
And if you've seen our other videos, they like to decorate the Poindexters with these pencils.
As always, the Poindexter is open for all students, and we are all students. So come on in, buy yourself a cup of coffee, and relax. One more reminder that the lobby is also open to all students, and again, we are all students. So anybody can come in, sit down and do some studying, a little light reading, just relaxing and having a good quality, peaceful time. Something we plan on doing again soon. We really appreciate you, Graduate Hotels. Thank you for everything. It's been a magical month.
Check out this fitness room. Treadmills, running machines, Pelotons, free weights. It's got everything you need in here. And this is the Rooftop Bar at Graduate Seattle. Definitely a place you want to go to check it out for yourself. Get yourself something to eat, get something to drink, relax. Definitely enjoy that view. But kind of feel the atmosphere. This place is phenomenal. Plenty of space. Make sure you get reservations. It does get busy on a Friday and Saturday night, but it's totally worth it.
"30 Graduate Hotels in 30 days. Next is our story."
If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so that you can continue to follow along with us as we continue on this adventure.
And as always, squeeze the day and be well.